Where's the Roomba? I'm bringing it home with me. Where is it? Come here, little buddy. I'll take you to safety. I didn't know you can actually pick the Roomba up this. Puta! No, that's even worse. What the heck is this game? Where's the Buddha? You stole from Happy's Burger Bar. Listen, the amount of emotional distress that it's caused me for the past 3 hours, they can give me their Roomba. They're never gonna find him again. I'm gonna take his Roomba home, I'm gonna spoil him, I'm gonna put googly eyes on him. I'm gonna clean his scrubby bristles. I'm gonna give him the best life a Roomba has ever had. Here you go, little guy. I didn't know he was gonna explode. Boom boom Roomba. Don't say it! Roomba boomba! Roomba go boomba. I killed my only friend at work. At least we have Toe though. We still have Toe. Roomba! I don't want to put him down now. Where do we put him?